Hi guys, here's a cute card for Halloween. Just follow along step by step for this fun tutorial. We're going to start by mixing black. If you don't have a good black, the easiest way to mix it is by using ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, or any brown. I squeeze the colors out on my palette, no water, and mix them well. A toothpick also works well for stirring. The Calico Kitten is white, black, and kind of an orange-brown. I'm also going to use just a touch of pink for the kitten's ears and his pink nose. To get soft edges on your fur, work wet on damp. Wet the kitten down with clean water along with some of the area around it. Use a small brush and just touch in some of the color to see how it does on the wet paper. I can see that mine is too wet, it's spreading too much, and there's not enough color in my paint. So I dry the kitten just a little and mix a thicker puddle of color using more paint and less water. That's better. Dab in small areas of color and let them bleed on the paper to get those soft furry edges. No two kittens need to look alike. You can add your colors wherever you think they'll look good, but be sure to leave some areas of white for contrast. Calico cats are 3 colors, and ours is going to be black, orange, and white. When you get the kitten mostly painted, you can add the pink to the ears and the nose, and just if you want, you can use black for the lines in the eyes and the mouth. You can leave the nose just like this, or if you want to very lightly color in the little nose area, I think that looks cute. Now for the pumpkin. I'm keeping this really simple. You can just paint the whole thing orange, but it will look nice if it's lighter on the left side and darker on the right. I'm starting with gold, or if you don't have gold, you can use yellow plus brown on the left, and then I just keep painting with a light orange, and then dip my brush in a darker orange or brown. Don't be afraid to play around with the paint. Pumpkins can have a lot of texture, so you can push it around with your brush or use a damp brush to lift up some of the color in the middle of the pumpkin lobes. You can paint as much or as little detail on the pumpkin as you like. For the bottom of the painting, mix a brown and paint it darker on the right to lighter on the left. You can darken up the lines in the pumpkin also. And it looks nice to add a dark shadow underneath the pumpkin and the kitten. The stem of the pumpkin could be green or brown or even bluish. Here's what the kitten looks like with the yellow-orange background. And I'm going to pull some of that color over the foreground on the left. So this is a simple card, but you can do a lot with it. You could add leaves to the background. You could make this pumpkin a jack-o'-lantern, or a dark blue background would look great, especially if you'd spatter on some white stars in the sky. Whatever you imagine can be your own cute Halloween card. Happy Halloween!